Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about where I'm at with wrapping my car, and we also have a couple of prize giveaways. Let's go check it out. Say, okay, Dowie. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna give you an update on where my car is. It's been getting wrapped for about a week now. I was hoping to get it back by now, but like a lot of things going on at the moment around the world, things are being impacted by the coronavirus situation, and people getting pulled in too many different directions, and it's, life is slowing down a little bit. Good news here in Minnesota is that the snow seems to have melted away for the most part. I was out this morning with my two boys down at the playground, and even though it's still freezing, it looks a lot nicer around here anyway. So we're kind of like locked down and self-quarantine here in southern Minneapolis, but we're trying to make the most of it. So I haven't been able to publish my my wrap video as quickly as I've wanted to, and I know that a lot of you out there keep asking me, when is it going to be ready, and when am I going to tell you guys what the color is. So I thought today, I'm not going to ruin the surprise completely. I'm not going to show you what the car looks like just yet, but what I am going to do is give you a sneak peek so you can all see finally which color I've chosen. Do you like it? Did you guess? Well, let's go to the web. So I put out a post on my YouTube channel a few weeks ago saying I would give a $50 gift card to the first person who guesses the color correctly. So let's go to that post. And there were a lot of really good guesses, and a couple of people were like pretty close, and one guy was pretty much on the money. So let's sort by oldest first. Mario, no, you're not allowed to guess because you've seen it. You're not, you would just be getting $50 and maybe, for no reason. Lizard Green, no, of course. I really don't care to guess, just want to see it done. Fair enough, but no, let's go down. Cobalt Blue was in the right ballpark, Vincent. Good guess. Carter Schinkel, Miami Blue. Howard Grubbs, Oslo Blue. So you guys were basically on the money, but not quite. Let's keep going down. Lizard Green, was there anybody else? Here we go. BL Hickey, Mexico Blue, is basically the color that it's closest to. So Carter, who guessed Miami Blue, and Howard, who guessed Oslo Blue, they were two colors that I really, really liked. The challenge with picking a wrap is that you're limited to the colors that are on, available from the two vendors. So I was looking primarily at 3M. There's also Avery, which have a great choice of colors. So I was looking for Oslo Blue, I'll be honest with you. That was the one that I was really hoping to get. But there wasn't anything that was close enough to Oslo Blue that had the satin finish. There were a couple of glossy finishes, which I just wasn't sure about how a car would look wrapped glossy. And I didn't want to go matte, so I was looking for satin. So I couldn't find anything close to Oslo blue. And Miami blue, there were a couple of really nice 3M colors. Let me go back up to the top, sort of, if you can see where my mouse is, sort of this kind of color, which was pretty similar to the Miami blue. I just wondered if it was going to be too baby boy kind of blue, and I'm not sure how that would look on my car. Even though I've seen the Miami blue cars and I think they look great, this wasn't quite Miami blue, and therefore I didn't really want to take the gamble. So this one in the middle, even though the wrap I eventually went with wasn't 3M, it was Avery, it was very, very similar to this color in the middle. And you can see from the photo that I'm about to put up. It was called Avery Satin Light Blue. And of all of the colors, it didn't give me Miami blue, it didn't give me cobalt blue, but oh, here we go, hang on. Cobalt, no, it didn't give me cobalt blue, Miami blue, or Oslo blue. But going down, yeah, Bill Hickey, Mexico blue. As much as I hate to say that, because my friend Mario and in fact Mr. Nick Murray have both commented that if I go Mexico blue, I'm going to need to rename the car Papa Smurf. And maybe that could be my next custom plate, P Smurf, I don't know. It's not quite as blue as Mexico blue, but the Mexico blue is the closest Porsche OEM shade. So BL Hickey, you are the winner of the $50 prize, the gift prize. If you are out there and you're watching, I'm going to try and reach out to you via YouTube. Send me an email to autoamateurblogger@gmail.com. And once I figure out where in the world you are, we'll figure out how I can get you a $50 gift card. And it's not a $50 gift card to the Auto Amateur Shop, which doesn't exist, and I don't really sell anything yet. But we'll figure it out. Congratulations, Mr. or Mrs. BL Hickey. So there it is. I'm hoping, if all goes well, to get my car back on Monday or Tuesday this coming week, which means I can do the full reveal video. And trust me, from just seeing the little bit of blue on the back, which they started towards the rear end with a spoiler, to then seeing 3/4 of the car covered in this color, you're still going to be surprised. There's still going to be a really cool reveal in the video when I get to film it. Now, the second giveaway is only for any viewers that are in the Twin Cities areas or would have any interest in going to see my mate AJ at Eurocharged of Minneapolis. I have $120 worth of Eurocharge gift certificates here, or gift cards if you will. It adds up to 120. So the competition, little silly competition, is, first off, you need to have a valid Minnesota mailing address so that I can get you these cards. So that's one thing. And you can contact me through the comments below or through autoamateurblogger@gmail.com. But in the comments below, if you're from the Twin Cities area, the first person to correctly call out the horsepower that my car was allegedly putting out to the wheel at the dyno day we did recently will win this $120 worth of gift cards. So you kind of need to have been watching my videos. If you haven't been watching my videos, now's the time to start going back. There is a video, and in one of my videos, a bunch of friends of mine and I are at Most Performance Motorsports in Blaine, Minnesota. Cars were on the dyno. Long story short, everybody else's was kicking out loads and loads of horsepower. Mine didn't quite go to plan. So first run, first line on the graph, first person to tell me what the horsepower was that the machine thought that my 991 was putting out to the wheel wins these gift cards. So that's it. So I hope you're all staying healthy. Just a quick video today. I hope you're staying away from all of the madness that's going out there. If you haven't stocked up on toilet roll, have you seen what the solution is? Because apparently everywhere is sold out of toilet roll. Stay right there. You're gonna love this. Cut it in half. Now you've got yourself 2 bog rolls. I know, that was ridiculous. And maybe it's too soon to joke. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully in a couple of days, my car will be ready to pick up and I'll do the wrap reveal video. Thanks as ever for the comments and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye.